My name's Weston McCafferty. I am a student here at Northridge High School. The career path I want to pursue is welding. I've never been the sit down at a table and do an assignment. I've been more of a, I have to actually do it, and with welding, with Davis Tech, you actually weld. Getting a lot of help from my teacher on how to make a better weld, different types of welds, just getting better, hands-on. It's the best way. I wanted to be able to put welding on my resume, get a better opportunity for a job. I would really recommend it because it's helped me in more ways than I can think of. It's opened so many doors for me in the welding program, and I know so much more now because they've been able to put me into the internship and into the field.